Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lethbridge, local and long-distance movers near me. It's time to move and you need a cheap Lethbridge moving company. 3 Movers offers the right local and long-distance moving services with dependable services. Our team offers residential and commercial moving services to help ensure you get the help you need. When relocating, let us take the stress out of your move. We offer all kinds of options to go with your long-distance moving services, such as packing services, moving supplies, and an on-time move and upfront pricing. Relocating with our help takes the stress out of your move. Our team knows how to make sure your relocation happens without all the struggle. We handle the long-distance move no matter how far you need to go. With the right Canada moving company for your local move, you get the help you need. Do you really want to do all the heavy lifting and hard work? Good local movers will take the stress off your plate by doing all the work for you. 3 Movers will provide you with the right services to make your local move simple. We save you time and energy no matter where you need to move to. Our team can handle even a very large move in less than a day or even in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lethbridge moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.